Yağmur, Yüksel, and Baktaş. All the details are in my video. If you like it, I would love for you to like and subscribe to my channel. You can support me even more by clicking the join button below. Thanks, and let's watch my video. Turkish actress Yağmur Yüksel. Known not only for her acting talent, but also for her strong presence on social networks, has once again captured the public's attention with a series of photographs recently published on her official Instagram account. In the images, Yüksel poses with a sophisticated style next to a 10 classic luxury car in a session titled Barış Meselesi. September question. However, beyond the shiny car, the impeccable makeup, and the elegant wardrobe, it was a small detail in one of the photographs that unleashed a real storm of speculation among her followers. In a close-up shot, taken from an artistic perspective and carefully lit, the reflection of a male figure can be seen in the sunglasses worn by the actress. Although the image is not completely clear, the outline of the silhouette and the shape of the face have given rise to endless theories. Who is this mysterious companion? Is this a new figure in the actress's love life, or are we facing an unexpected return from the past? A reflection, 1,000 questions. It didn't take long for the networks to explode. Just a few minutes after the publication, the most attentive followers began to analyze the image with a magnifying glass, comparing features, proportions, and possible matches with people from Yüksel's known environment. Some claimed without hesitation that the figure resembled Baktaş, the actor with whom Yağmur had a relationship widely followed by the media and fans. Although the couple never officially confirmed their breakup, their estrangement was evident and painful for both, as reflected in various past interviews and publications. Others, however, maintain that the reflection does not correspond to Baktaş, but to a new figure that has begun to appear timidly in the actress's digital interactions. In fact, in recent weeks, Yağmur has been liking certain posts by a young art world entrepreneur, which has raised suspicions of a new love story in the making. This possibility has been welcomed with enthusiasm by his followers, who consider that Yüksel deserves to begin a renewed stage in his personal life. Barış Meselesi, a veiled track. The title of the publication, a September question, has also generated varied interpretations. Some read it as a metaphor for a new beginning, a sentimental rebirth after the end of a period marked by heartbreak. September is, after all, a symbolic month of transition, the end of summer, the beginning of autumn, the change of color in the leaves, and perhaps also in emotions. From a poetic perspective, the message could be revealing that Yüksel is ready to close a painful chapter and begin a more serene, mature, and authentic one.